I got asked in a previous video, what do I do to maintain my Lodge Sportsman Grill? I'll just show you real quick how I keep the grill from rusting, and I don't really struggle to keep it clean, but the main thing is the rust. So all that I do is take a cheap canola, you can see made with canola, cooking spray, which is actually, if you're buying the Lodge spray, that's all you're getting is canola oil. So I just buy a cheap store brand canola oil, and before I start the cook, over the entire grill, I apply a light coat of oil, which will basically, all you're doing is re-seasoning the cast iron. And it's not real heavy. I got a little heavy right there, heavier than I normally like to. Now when I cook, that grill will season. I'm gonna go ahead and close up the damper too during this. That's one hot stovetop. Yeah, I'm burning all the oil off on some parts of this. Need my spray oil, re-season the whole thing. And here they are. We'll go ahead and get those inside. Let it rest for a bit, then cut them up, have them for a meal.